Atamalo 26 mag mine manie kind higni 15 kod 49 osekale achiedh nade mag lwenje mag kit chuech kokale rocho ratichgi e weche mag hera. Nonro motim gi Catholic Medical Mission Board wacho ni atamalo 66 mag jok makale achiedh nade ma kamago ok osebedo ka go lipot ne obila. Wachore ni luoro en achiel kuom gigo momiyo ok gigo lipode ma kamago. Jakom CMMB e kaunti ma Siaya Hilary Ngeso owacho ni atamalo 97 mag jok marocho ratich mine gin jogo ma ging'eyo kendo mantiere machiegni kodgi. Bende nonro noyango ni thoth ji monjaw e yor hera kata moroch ratichgi ok many yore mag thieth, to ka mago mamanyo yore mag thieth dhiyo kodeko, gino ma bende osemedo landruok mag kute mag ayaki e kind mamoko.
But what came out today is the fact that we are significantly seeing gross underreporting of these GBV cases. One of the significant findings from the study noted that about 66.7% of people that have been violated do not report some of these cases. So that means that the figures that we have, so as they may, they do not necessarily paint the bigger picture of what is in the community. And that means we might really be, or we might have probably been responding to an issue, but we do not have the bigger picture of what that issue looks like. So really being able to understand why people do not report is an entry point to start having a conversation about what is it that we can do about issues of GBV.
Mainly from the findings, one of the things that came out strongly was that for men who are violated by their spouses or the other gender, most of them are also not reporting because of the fear of the masculinity and do not really want people to be able to know that they've been battered by their wives or spouses.